Vodafone 1615 Disassembly, screen replacement and repair. Slide the phone open, then turn it around. Remove the 4 circled screws. Loosen the front cover by running something like the edge of a credit card around the join. Lift the cover up to reveal 2 ribbon connectors, circled, which connect the LCD to the phone. These connectors attach like a plug and socket. Simply pull them down, away from the green circuit board, to unplug. You can now lift the screen away from the phone. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.